Hey everyone, so I've tuned into the moon today and I've asked what message does the moon have for you all out there today? And the new moon in Capricorn came forward, which is all about stepping up and leading. The message from this card is, the good news is that you know what you want and on some level you know how to get it. Step up and know that you are the boss of your own life. A new, more disciplined approach is needed or a new plan. Strategy is called for. This card reminds you that ambition isn't a dirty word. Whatever you want to create in life, there's no such thing as too big a goal. But break up your plans into smaller, achievable pieces. Slow and steady wins the race. And also release any blocks that you have to success. Your manifesting focus. This card is an especially good sign for matters related to your professional life goals and ambitions, or a work colleague. Manifesting mindset. Think about where you want to be in a year, consciously visualize it. Write a 12-month plan detailing how you're going to get there. So basically, get your vision for the next 12 months, make sure you visualize it regularly, and then think about what could be a plan to achieve that goal and write that down. All right, so new moon in Capricorn, step up and lead. You're in control. This is your life. Consciously create it. Okay? And that's the little message for today. If you've liked this reading, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And let me know in the comments, what are you manifesting at the moment? What goals are you wanting to achieve? I'd love to know. See ya.